Well, I'm here at the Lone Star Rally. Not on my bike, because I have a lack of tread. It's raining, at least it was raining on the way here, and I have Amy with me. So I don't think a lack of tread, rain, and 2 up is a good idea. So I'm on foot. She gave me a ride, and we're gonna go check out the rally. Had to find parking, $20 for the day. And here we go. First thing I gotta find is a restroom. They got porta cans right up here. So that's gonna work. Took a little bit to find parking. See those clouds? We got more rain coming. Checking out all the booths. Here comes the rain. Probably gonna get caught under here. But there's plenty of awnings to get under. Checking out all the patches. I need to find some for my vest. Because I had to take the one thing off of it, you know. Because my chapter closed. Here's one for my friends who conceal carry. Thigh bag. And conceal carry pockets.
The race begins when I say the word.
Olin's booth. Check that out. I'm in the official Lone Star Rally merchandise booth where they got shirts anywhere from $40 to $20. I think these things, hoodies are like somewhere around 40 to 60. The one we got is like 42 bucks. And that's where you get your patches and stuff for the rally, and they got other patch places obviously. But the official patch that I generally put on my vest, I generally get from here. And I don't want to show anybody, don't want to be showed. There's people over there that probably don't want to be showed. But as you can tell, out through there, it's pouring down rain. So I'm going to be in here for just a second. Waiting out the rain here, which I don't think is going to stop, in the AMSOIL booth. AMSOIL is good stuff. Have no problems with it. They sell a few other things, obviously. And this is AMSOIL Adams' booth. He's pretty cool dude. He just walked inside. They needed his attention. And he is running a business. So gotta take care of that. Got the oil. Sounds good, don't it? Check it out. They even got firearm cleaner. Suicide choppers. is inside the Suicide Chopper's booth. And those would look awesome on a lowrider. Will these fit a lowrider?
We have some that does fit the lowrider here.
Cool.
We also have a luggage rack that goes behind it for the lowrider.
Actually, do you have an example of that luggage rack? No? Online. Yeah, cause I just went on a trip to Florida and back. I've got the 2-up luggage rack from Harley on it. But between a bag, a tent, a sleeping bag, and a guitar, you know. Having a sissy bar would have been nice. Check it out. Those are nice bars. This tread may be going on my lowrider. Those are the Pirellis. Speed Performance Tuning Center. Working on bikes. There's plenty of people to install, to do whatever you need down here. That's what I need at home. Okay, go look at that.
Alright, we're going to show you how it works. So super easy. One product, every single surface, matte, denim, satin, eyeballs, whatever you got. Got a little trigger lock, that way it doesn't spray your bags. Turn it on, you're ready to go. So, your painted surfaces, your chrome, plastic, glass, leather, vinyl, wrinkle finishes, pipes, motor, side casings, your entire bike. Right on. Take it dry, wipe it off. You don't have to wait to let it dry. One wipe. It leaves no residue, no fingerprints, smudges, streaks, or smears, nothing left over. It's gonna take your bugs off, road grind, tree sap, tar, grease, 15 minutes or less to do your whole bike on and off. Now each time you do it, it needs a layer of carnauba wax down so if you get caught in the rain, it'll actually sheet instead of beat up all over your bike. Wrinkle finishes, there's no dust or powder, no wiping cracks, pipes, one wipe, spray on, wipe off. Clean and protect every surface that easily. Again, no residue or fingerprints. You got a Lexan windshield, it'll take your bugs off for you. Leather saddlebags or vinyl, whatever you have. Minimal effort to maintain your bike and it comes out perfect the very first time. You don't have to go back over it 2 or 3 different times like you do with other products. And the best part about it is this, if you got aluminum or chrome wheels, it'll take your brake dust off, but if you hit a tire with any other product, what happens? It's slip. And that's because everything's made with petroleum distillate. This is not. There's no petroleum, no silicone, no clay filler. So anything you put it on, clean and protect, it comes out perfect in first wipe. There's no residue. You feel the tire, there's nothing left over. So if you got no oil residue on your whole bike, that means you're not a dust magnet. It'll stay cleaner 10 times longer wherever you're putting on your bike. So the one bottle does that bike about 8 times. Your money back guarantee on it, website to reorder. They're $20 at the show. Buy it during the demos, we give you the microfiber to go with it. So you get a bottle and a rag, you're 20 bucks. That's it. Where do I put my hands? I don't know where to put my hands. Just, oh, sorry.
Psychowash.com. Right there.
So, miss, you gotta try with me. So I have something right here that has minerals and magnets together, right? So let me show you something amazing, okay? Watch, feet together, you gotta record this, all right? Do like this, okay? Do you have shoulder pain? Strong, I'm gonna push down, you ready? Good. See if you can put one leg up and try to hold it, okay? Try your best, don't let me push, see this hard. So we're gonna put magnets and minerals, we're gonna see the difference, and let's see if it makes a difference or not, okay? Feet together, same thing, strong, okay? Yes, push your leg up, and put your leg up, and resist. And look at this now. So better balance, also look. Give me a minute.
Starting to rain.
So the benefit of this right here, headaches, migraine, shoulders, rotator cuff, back pain, hip pain, sciatic pain, ankle pain, and then the more you wear this, the better perform. If you see at the back of the bracelet, you got minerals and magnets. The more you wear it, the better. 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, you get better and better and better. So we sell magnets and minerals together.
That's okay, I'll stick by your side.
And what is the name of your company here?
Holistic World.
Holistic World.
Yeah. So I recommend you want to come here to Galveston. We're right here, selling our bracelet with magnets and minerals. Or call us. You know, we can go to our numbers right here, if you can see it. Ask for Oscar. I'm the one right here. Okay. And of course, if you work out, you exercise, you play sports, it's the best gift you can give to your body.
I think I need to get one for him.
We're just trying to get the bikes. We're just trying to get the bikes, show the rain. Rainy day at the rally. Back up. Custom Dynamics. Check it out. To the left, we're gonna go down. The trolley should be running. At a certain point, people just walking in the rain. Patches, patches, patches. Always got more.
Here, hold this for a second.
I gotta say, these are some clean facilities. They're doing a very good job taking care of these porta cans. I know that can be an issue at some places, but they're doing an awesome job. Okay, we're on the trolley going to the Strand to see wall. So, I'll show you this. Trolley. That's pretty cool. It runs like every 20 minutes or so. Okay, we rode the trolley here all the way to the Strand. $1 each way.
I thought it was free.
Nothing's free. Check out all the bikes. Hopefully the wind noise is not too bad. I lost the wind sock or wind screen, whatever, for my media mod. So hopefully the wind ain't too bad now that it wants to pick up. Check out all the bikes. We're probably gonna go down here and hang a left. My guess is Mexico's is probably in a corner down here. Let's see if I can find him. Check it out. We may eventually get a trike. I think it'll be more comfortable for her. Look at that stretched one. That's pretty cool. Check out the bikes. Notice the other side is a little more family friendly. The side's going to be a lot more party, especially in a couple hours when the sun goes down. This has all the bars. This has a lot of fun. But you don't want to be down on this side, down on the Strand at night with your kids. If you're bringing them, take them to the other side, take them over to the seawall, maybe come through here in the daylight, but you don't want them here when the sun goes down. My little wife. Oh wow, where could she be? She's tiny and angry and yells at me. Oh wow, where could she be? Nothing but bikes. All kinds of bikes. Last year I went down the middle. I'm not gonna be here when the sun goes down this year. I'll be going home. How cool. Okay, that's the Lone Star Rally. Hopefully you like my video. We're going home. Her legs are getting tired up there. And she wants to go home. That I think it's more that we're soaked because it's been raining, and of course, walking on wet feet is not any fun. We're this way. At least I remember where we're at. Parking garage here. But it still goes on, even when it's raining. The other place I was gonna go to, it still goes on in the rain. Oh, I don't think we're gonna make it to the other one. So it's just gonna be the Lone Star Rally this year. We're tired. It's still a blast. Got some friends down here. And I guess until next year. Y'all have fun. Y'all take care. You're awesome. Adios.